Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last video you saw that I was flying my DJI Mini 2 through DJIFLYAPP by using 15 meters hack. So in that video I was flying my drone around 100 meters and accidentally I closed my DJIFLYAPP. When I closed my DJIFLYAPP, the drone started to automatically descend from 100 meters back to 15 meters. So that was the most scary part of the video because my drone might have got crashed. So I tackled it with some tricks. So I'll be sharing that tricks with you guys in this video. So if you guys are using 15 meters hack, whatever it might be DH Companion, Rainbow app or Litchi app. So whatever it might be, if you are following the 15 meters hack, you should watch this video because if you accidentally close your DJIFLYAPP, then your hack limit will be auto reset from 500 meters to 15 meters. So this video will help you to tackle such kind of a scenarios where you can avoid crashing your drone. So I would suggest you guys to watch this video completely. This video is going to be very important for all you guys who own the drone. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video, guys.
As soon as you guys open the DJIFLYAPP, when you go to the safety settings, as you can see on the screen, the max altitude will be set to 15 meters. So to show the trick, I need to bypass this 15 meters. So I'll be using Rainbow application now to bypass the 15 meters. So as you all guys know that the free Rainbow application can be used to bypass this 15 meters and we don't need to pay anything. So if you want to check out the detailed video, I'll be adding the link in the description and the I button. Just you need to download the free Rainbow application and open it and go to the settings, go to the aircraft, change your 15 meters to 500 meters and just close the application and reopen your DJIFLYAPP. So here, as you can see on the screen, when you switch back to DJIFLYAPP, the max altitude will be back to 500 meters. So if you already have the DH license, then you can follow the DH Companion hack process, or you can use the Rainbow application, Litchi application, whatever you are using. Whenever you close the DJIFLYAPP, it gets auto reset. So in this video I'll be showing you when you're flying your drone at some distance, like you might be at 100 meters, you might be at 50 meters, whatever height you might be at, whatever distance. So if you accidentally close your DJIFLYAPP, now as you can see on the screen that we have reached 52 meters and I am closing my DJIFLYAPP. When you accidentally close your DJIFLYAPP, or if your DJIFLYAPP gets crashed and reopens automatically, then at that point of time the altitude gets reset. As you can see on the screen, the height is getting descended, and in the max altitude you can also see that it has set back to 15 meters. In this case, in such cases, you need to just face your camera down and see if there is any tree, any house or any building. Just move your drone to the safe place where there is no other object. So as you can see on the screen, I have moved my drone to one open ground so that I can easily locate my drone in case if I could not reset my altitude. So you need to do the first step would be face the camera down and check if any object is there. If everything is fine, then you need to move your drone. Anyways, your drone will not be able to ascend the height, so I would suggest you to move whatever height you're getting immediately and go to the safe place. And once you find some safe place, let the drone hover. Then you just switch back to some application, that might be Rainbow, Litchi or DH Companion. As soon as you switch your application, you need to follow the hack process again, and when it is hovering, you make sure it is at the safe place. And now I have opened my Rainbow application, and that is a free Rainbow application. I am setting back the altitude from 15 meters to 500 meters and I switch back to DJIFLYAPP. So as you can see on the screen, now we have switched back to DJIFLYAPP, and once your RC gets connected to the DJIFLYAPP, then you can see that max altitude will be back to 500 meters and you can again ascend the height and take back your drone. This is one of the safest method that you can follow. So guys, make sure you're not hitting the RTH button as soon as you see that your drone starts descending. So if you hit the RTH, then your drone will end up crashing with a tree or any obstacle. So what I suggest is follow this method. This is very safest way that you can bring your drone back to the home point. And this is the rare scenario where your DJI app may crash, or you might accidentally close your DJI app. But you should know this solution before you're doing the hack process. So guys, this was the one trick how we can bring our drone back to the home point when your DJI app get crashed. So let me tell you another trick how we can bring our drone back to the home point. So in this trick you need to be pro in hacking your drone. So let me show you guys. Now you can see on the screen that height of our drone is 110 meters. So now let's close our DJI app. So as soon as we close our DJI app and reopen it, you can see that the max altitude will be set back to 15 meters. So as you can see on the screen now, our drone has started descending the height. So height is slowly decreasing. Drone is coming back to the ground. So in the max altitude also you can see that it is set back to 15 meters, and even we cannot reset the RTH. So now I'll be using Litchi application to bypass the 15 meters limit. As I said earlier, you guys can use either DH Companion, Litchi or Rainbow. Whatever you're using, you need to do the hack process very quickly. So once your Litchi application is open, you can see that here also we will be able to see that our height will be descending. So now we need to go to the settings, we need to go to the aircraft, and there we need to set our max altitude from 15 meters to 500 meters. Once that's done, you need to switch back to DJI app. Once you switch back to DJI app, wait till your RC gets connected to the DJI app. Once it's connected, you can see that height will stop decreasing and your max altitude will be set back to 500 meters. So this trick needs to be used only when you're flying your drone at the higher altitude, like more than 80 meters. So what I would suggest you guys is, if you're flying your drone below 50 meters, then use the first trick to bring back your drone, and if you guys are flying more than 50 meters, then use this method. So that's it for this video. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.